function is structured language, right?
Yes, we can do. Okay, then. What is that? Right. Okay. Right. Yeah. Right. LeetCode version is on the number of the sound. Right. Whenever the sound of the happen. Right. Okay then. So we can do right, compare number of the sound and the algorithm. Okay, guys, we have to do longest common prefix. Number 14, longest common prefix. Write a function to find the longest common prefix string amongst an array of string. If there is no common prefix, return an empty string. Input the strs and this flow flight steering conditioning dog race or car. There is no common prefix. Right. So like to continue. So is thinking the approach. How can we do that? So problem is numbers on prefix.
So
Was like approaches like creating longest common prefix between words into words. Guys, this is very obvious to do. This is very okay. Now it is clear. So like intuition was the greatest longest common prefix between two words. Right. So approach Student said there is a possibility that we have 200 words as an input. So I thought it's going to be tough to check common in all the words at the same time. So my strategy is simple. Just check input strings, flower, fruit, flight.
Right.
First of all, we use flower flow to find the longest common prefix. Initialize pre animal. Okay. So the so first of all, initialize here with the first word, one flower. And pref len is the length of the first word is equal to length of the flower in this case. So pref is equal to flower and pref len is equal to 6. So we will loop until we find the common prefix. In the first loop, I prefer first s is equal to 0 such pref len, right? So they are different too, so we made pref short one by one. Pref is equal to flow, FLOWE, and pref longer than 5. In the second loop, while pref is equal to, right? This is my approach. And the time complexity is 0 m into n, right? And most case time complexity हो जाएगी 0 n into p m. So n is the number of strings list, and m is the length of the longest common prefix. Worst case में तो loop might run m times for each n minus 1 strings in the outer loop. This leads of total n minus 1 into m. And since n minus 1 is asymptotically equivalent to n, the time complexity is simply equal n into n. So yes, right. So hold on guys, 1 second. I'm a little confused to code. How can I do this? Yes. Here we go. Write in Java or C++. If you want the code in C++, please comment in the below. Then I would like to code in Java, right? Most of the things I write in code in Java. So yes, let's continue. If strings is equal to null, right? And if a string is dot length is equal to 0. So return if string is equal to pref is equal to string 0, right? In pref len guys is equal to pref dot length yes, then for slash int I is equal to I greater than strs dot length into I plus plus. plus plus. Then string s is equal to string as I. Right. Right. String s
Are
आ
you?
गया
And like